Welcome back to SEO. If you've been paying attention to Google lately, you're probably terrified. AI is everywhere. People are pumping out thousands of articles a day with ChatGPT, and Google is responding by absolutely nuking sites from orbit. But here's the reality check. AI isn't going to ruin your SEO, lazy AI is. If you want to future-proof your website and survive the next algorithm update, you don't need to ditch AI. You need to prove EAT. That stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to bulletproof your content using these 4 pillars so Google loves your site, no matter how much mass-produced AI content floods the web. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why Google is throwing the hammer down. Mass-produced AI content is cheap, fast, and completely generic. It lacks a human soul. Google knows its users don't want to read a robotic summary of 5 other blog posts. They want real insights. That is why EAT is the ultimate tiebreaker. It's Google's framework for deciding if you are a real person offering real value or just a robot spinning text. Let's break down exactly how you prove each of these 4 letters. Let's start with the first E, experience. This is all about proving that you actually did the thing you are writing about. AI cannot experience anything. It has never tested a product, traveled to a city, or fixed a leaky pipe. So, you need to show your receipts. Stop using generic stock photos. Instead, use original screenshots of the software you're reviewing. Upload your own ugly, unedited photos of the recipe you baked. Share first-hand stories about your mistakes and successes. Inject your own personal data and case studies into every single post. If you are writing a travel guide to Paris, prove you were actually there. Experience is your ultimate defense against AI. Moving on to the second E, expertise. While experience is about what you've done, expertise is about how deeply you know your subject. Google wants to know that you are qualified to be talking about this topic. How do you prove it? Start by setting up robust author bios. Don't just say, John is a writer. Say, John is a certified mechanic with 15 years of experience working on Toyota engines. Next, cover your topics comprehensively. Don't just skim the surface. Create pillar posts that answer every possible question a user might have. Show Google that your site is the absolute best resource on that specific, narrow topic. Next up is for authority. Authority is not about what you say about yourself. It's about what others say about you. Are other credible people in your industry vouching for your content? The gold standard here is still earning high-quality backlinks from respected websites in your niche. But it's also about brand mentions. If major industry podcasts, forums, or news sites are talking about your brand, Google takes notice. You build authority by consistently creating content that is so good and so uniquely yours that other experts can't help but reference it. Finally, we arrive at the T, trust. Google has explicitly stated that trust is the most important piece of the EAT puzzle. If your site looks sketchy, nothing else matters. So, how do you prove your site is a safe, legitimate place? Be radically transparent. Always cite your sources with outbound links to credible data. Keep your facts accurate and up-to-date. Make sure you have clear, easy-to-find contact pages, an About Us page, privacy policies, and terms of service. If you are selling something, make your refund policies crystal clear. Show Google and your readers that there is a real, accountable business behind the screen. The internet is changing fast, but the core of good SEO hasn't. Google wants to rank content created by humans for humans. By injecting real experience, deep expertise, undeniable authority, and absolute trust into your website, you are essentially building a moat around your traffic that no AI content farm can ever cross. If you want to keep your website safe from future algorithm updates and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you subscribe to SEO right now. And if you want a deeper dive into everything we talked about today, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.